So at Sprouts, we have a weekly chef series. So these students are going to come once a week, and we're really trying to build on that culinary foundation each week. So my question for Toby was, if you were to give one piece of advice to our kid chef followers, kind of inspiring that next generation of foodies, what would that piece of advice be to keep them, keep them cooking?
Yeah, I'll break it into two really simple ones, which what I would tell my kids is cook your passion, cook for you. If that makes sense. Like, cook for you. Don't cook for other people, because you're not going to be passionate about cooking what somebody else tells you to do. This is technically an art, if you think about it. That's the way we think about it. It's great artists paint for themselves. They don't paint for other people. And so find that passion. Find what makes you happy when you cook. Stick with that. And the other thing I've told kids before is mess up.
Okay.
Make mistakes.
Well, we're certainly making messes here, so we're like doing awesome with that.
Everybody from their first year of cooking to like the people you see on the Food Network that have been doing it for years, they make mistakes constantly.
Yeah.
I make mistakes constantly. I don't just take an ingredient and put it on a cutting board and all of a sudden it's some magical thing.
Right.
Like, no, that's my fourth attempt with that ingredient to get it the way I want it, or I'm happy with it.
Yeah.
Make mistakes, learn from your mistakes, and push yourself to be a little bit better.
I think those are great tips. So cook what you love, do it for yourself, and don't be afraid to make a mistake when you're mastering your skill.
No.
Yeah. Those are great.